I could talk all day long about the news, giving you the current affairs with my views. I could talk all night long about a song, giving you the pointers on where you're going wrong. I could talk all year long about the net, sending you the links I think you haven't seen yet. I'd like to tell you things that I think you never heard, but there are no words. I could talk all day long about dreams, sewing up your heart so you never see a seam. I could talk all day about politics, all of the corruption, clean hands, dirty tricks. But what can I say about something that blows me away without it sounding like another cliche? From what I've seen and I've heard, when it comes to you, baby, no, there are no words. Word in this world that describes you. I could talk all day long about life after so many wars, how we're all still alive. I could speak all night long about the world, how it took me 30 years just to find one girl. I could shoot shit for days all about guitars. I give so no offender, it depends on who you are. But when I try to say something that you never heard, there are no words. I could burn your ear off all about space, and why we have a moon, why the moon has a face. If the earth is spinning, why we all stay in place. Why we can't walk, it's gotta be a space race. But what can I say that's gonna blow our minds away? Try to write a classic, not a throwaway. All I've seen, all I've heard, when it comes to you, there are no words. No words. Yeah, I swear this much is true. There ain't no word in this world to describe you. To describe you. Yeah, I swear this much is true. There ain't no word in this world that describes you.